First day of starting an extension. This is what we're getting done today. We're doing preparation and cleaning up. Then we start to dig the foundation. That's the boss up there. Okay. Alright, this is it. First day. Yes, this is day one. Just finish for the day. Day one. All the tile them stack up. Yeah, all the tile them stack up right there. All pulled from the floor. Pile of stock. This is what is going on. This is it. This is it. This is it. Dig from all the way up there. All the way up there. All the way up there. Come all the way down here. Yeah. So it's a lot of work. A lot of work. This is it. This is it. All those walls gonna remove. Yeah. Massive extension. Day two. Day two. Still at the hexagon. Light up jerk pan. We do a little jerking. So we pile up the dirt.